We doing freshwater drum today, y'all. AKA Gasper Goo, depending on where you live. But anyway, hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to Stelly Grills and Chills, y'all. Stelly Grills and Chills. And hey, while we here, we gonna rain on them. We gonna cook a lot of great food. So don't forget, give me that LSS, y'all. That like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. But anyway, let's get it. So first thing, we gonna go ahead and open up this cavity. Now, this fish here, I'm gonna tell you, don't fry this fish. You will not like the way it tastes. Please follow this recipe. You might surprise yourself on how good it is. But yeah, y'all, once we get this cavity opened up, like so, we gonna clean out that little nastiness. You know, it's always a little left behind nastiness. I don't care what store you go to. Gotta get that little left behind nastiness. Then once we get that all cleaned up, you know we gotta go ahead and rain on. Gotta hit them with a little salt. Hit them with a little bit of this deal. Come in with our garlic powder. Then we're gonna go ahead and cut this lemon up into slices. I would say probably about a 1/4 inch thick. Well, a little less than a 1/4 inch. Then we're gonna stuff that cavity with these lemon slices, y'all. Oh yeah. And flip that on over. And we gonna hit them with a little pepper. Fresh, of course. Gotta have that fresh pepper. Now we coming in with a couple of paps of butter. Now this is unsalted. Now you can use salted if you want to. You know, I like to use the unsalted because I like to control how much sodium is in my meal. So once we get all that butter and all that good lemon and seasoned up real good, we're gonna go ahead and wrap them in our aluminum foil. Get ready to put them in this oven. Now, our oven has been preheated to 350 degrees, y'all. 350. Look like a nice little Christmas present. Oh yeah. So let's get them on in that oven, y'all. Hit them with our little temperature probe. Check that temp. Oh yeah. She ready, y'all. She ready. Now I took my fish out at 155. That's the way I like mine. But hey, play with it a little bit. Find out how you like yours. But to me, that makes the fish so juicy, y'all. Just so juicy. Oh my goodness, look at this here. Oh yeah, so let me give y'all a little peek of this meat. Cause it's real tender, it's real juicy too, y'all. That butter and lemon and worked on it. Now if you'd have fried this fish, I guarantee you it would have been rubbery, y'all. This is not rubbery at all. Tastes good. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.